welcome back to my channel. My name is looooong and this is the secret life of my PhD. Wow guys, it has been a long time. Wow, it's been over a month. I can't believe it. But guys, I had good reasons. I explained in my previous video that I wasn't well, and things didn't go so well after that. But anyway, we are fully recovered now and we are good to go, and I'm just glad to be back because I think I was a bit nervous about coming back. The kinani like imposter syndrome a little bit, like I don't know why I would have imposter syndrome for my little channel, but anyway, I did. I think just getting back into recording was making me nervous, but I'm glad to be back. And I have my son, and he wants to say hi to everyone. Come and say hello.
Hello.
Say hello.
Hello, my name is Ria.
Hi, Ria. What grade are you in?
3.
Oh my goodness, that's a big grade, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
And almost done with the year.
You're almost done with the year.
Yes. You should know that.
Oh yeah, I know.
We're in August.
Oh yeah, I know. Oh, yeah. Oh, sorry. Okay, what are you gonna do now? You're gonna go work? What are you gonna do? You're gonna sit there.
Stuff.
Okay, sit there quietly. All right.
I think I just need to get a little bit more paper.
Okay.
Sorry for noise though.
All right. Thanks, Ria. So, anyway, close to the end of July, I forgot what I was saying, but anyway, let me tell you about what I've been up to, and this is going to be a short video, now. Close to the end of July, the last week of July, I had registered for training, and this training was running for 2 weeks, and my university was paying for this training, so I had to attend. Obviously, I booked this training before I got sick. And I had to attend this training, and it was so intense, guys. Wow, I was just like, before it started, I was not looking forward to it because my body was still just stressing me out, and the kids and everything. I just didn't know like how I was going to cope with everything. But my husband and I, we made it work. We made it work. But the training was so amazing. It was so amazing, as intense as it was. I think it just helped me just get back, like dive into the deep end. It helped me do that. But the training was amazing. And in the second week of the training, I actually realized how much I miss interacting with people about work, about what I am doing. I don't get to do that often as a PhD student, as most PhD students. If you're doing a PhD and sometimes even a master's, you're pretty much on a lonely journey. Yes, you have your supervisor, and you might talk to your spouse or your friends about your research, but the conversations that you have with your friends and your spouse, they're really at a superficial level about your research. When you get in-depth conversations, it's with your supervisor, and those don't happen often, often enough. The crux of a PhD is that you're really alone. You really have to put in that time thinking, you have to put in that time writing, you have to put in that time reading. And my goodness, it's such a lonely journey. And previous mentors have actually said to me, just be aware that it's actually quite lonely. And when they say that, I thought, no, I am an introvert. Yeah, right. I thought, no, I like working alone. I'm good working alone. I can do this thing. It will be best for me. But when I was attending that training, I actually realized how much I miss talking to people about my work at an in-depth level and doing it every day, like waking up every morning and engaging with people. And I really realized I miss it. And it was then that it really hit me how much of a lonely journey the PhD is. And I mean, that's, I don't feel bad. I don't feel like, oh, it's a lonely journey or that I'm doing something wrong. I don't feel like that. I mean, I think it is part of the journey. That's how it is, I think I'm just really being caught away, like, wow, I was feeling lonely. And I think even in that time when I was feeling lonely, I didn't feel it. I only realized that once I had a taste of something different, that, oh, okay, I do miss some of this, So I think it's just good to be aware of it, because, it can get to you, that loneliness can get to you, and it can, being aware of it can then explain a lot of your behavior as well. Sometimes you just feel sluggish and everything. And I think that is part of the reason for it. But also, I think it also made me realize that I must, be deliberate in taking steps to go out and talk about my research with other people. And examples of that is like, attending PhD colloquiums, attending conferences, even at your university, they might have, say, like research workshops or an opportunity for you to present your workshop. I think it's good to take advantage of that just to be able to interact with people and engage with people at a deeper level about your research, about something that you care about. So I'm glad actually, because I actually have a colloquium I'm attending at the end of this month. So I'm looking forward to it. Anyway, so yeah, I just realized that the journey is quite a lonely one, and we need to look after ourselves, like our mental health as PhD students. We really need to do that. And yeah, that's my 2 cents for today, guys. I'm going to almost leave you, but before I leave you, I'm going to leave you with a plug. Now, I spoke about attending training. Guys, this training was good. Like, it's good. You know what? I know universities across, like in my university, they all offer training now, but also look at other institutions that are offering training. Now, this training that I attended, it's offered by Stellenbosch University. They have what is called the African Doctoral Academy. I've put in the link in the comment section below. I'm going to do this very quickly. They have amazing training, guys. If you are somebody who is considering registering for a master's, considering registering for a PhD, or you are busy with your master's and PhD, or you are done with your master's and PhD, I really recommend that you check out the courses that they have there. Wow, I experienced it. I found it so amazing. The classmates I was attending with, they just enjoyed it. Even other people who attended other courses, because I only attended 2, but they had like, I think 10 or so courses running in this winter school period. And it is just so, the words to describe it is that it is so empowering, and I'm calling this a plug because when something's good for me, I share it with you. I share the gospel so that you can also maybe consider it and use it for yourself. Obviously, the winter school is done now. I think they're going to be having another winter school next year. I don't know, in December, I'm not sure, but check out the website, check out their prices, and see if it's something that you would consider investing in for your research career. Guys, it's been awesome. I love being back. I love chatting with you. And I just want to say hi to all my new subbies. I'm watching you. I see you. I see the comments. I see the engagement. I really, really enjoy it. I really, really appreciate it, guys. And yeah, I am looking forward to meeting.
And yes. I want to say goodbye.
And Rhea wants to say goodbye. So, thank you for watching this video. We say thank you for watching this video.
Thank you for watching the video.
And then we ask them to...
And make sure to watch the full video.
And make sure to watch the full video. Exactly. They must comment. Mm-hmm. And they must subscribe if they haven't subscribed. Né?
Yes.
Yes. And they must like the video.
Yes.
Because why watch it if you don't like it?
Yes.
Exactly. Thank you, Rhea. Rhea has said it all through, mommy. And we will see you guys next time. Enjoy your week. Bye-bye.